Alright, this is a quick demo of why you should not override read-only fields without extra research. Questions to override read-only fields appear very often. It seems like an easy solution. However, most of the times doing so will not solve problems and may create other issues shown in this demo. Here are two recent forum questions asking to override such fields. First one asks to override field 3290, which is a calculated field that goes into TIL, and it's possible to override such fields. However, it has its own issues. Second one asks to override loan team member, which is a virtual field, and it's impossible to override such field. In both cases, you may notice that me and Jesse both suggest to find the source or underlying data and change it instead, because that's the correct way of changing such values. Now, you may also notice that Brock suggests that to change loan team member you have to reassign milestone user, and it would actually solve the problem. Now let's see a loan example why overriding normal read-only fields like 3290 has problems or side effects. So here is a loan which doesn't have any income entered. Let's enter 1000, and let's say that for some reason we don't like the total of 1000 in field 910, and we want to override it with some other value. Now field 910 is read-only. As you may notice, here in Field Explorer I show that 910 total income read-only. Now let's go back into Encompass and let's override this field. I have a form for this. Now let's say 910 and let's set it to $2,000, right? As you can see, when I try to set it normally, it says field 910 is read-only, so I have to use a special rule for that. And as you can see from Loan Monitor, I just changed it from 1000 to 2000. Let's go back into the form. The field is $2,000. But now here is the problem. The problem is this field is calculated by Encompass at any point of time on potentially any change to the loan. So now if I enter something like rent, which has nothing to do with income, all of a sudden my income field got reverted back to 1000. As you can see here, it just changed from 2000 to 1000, and it all happened within Encompass internal calculations. You can also see it right inside the loan debugger here. I changed the 119 to 100, and then as a part of Encompass calculation, field 910 got changed. So I hope you liked this demo, and I hope that you wouldn't try to override read-only fields without giving it prior consideration of what the potential side effects are. Thank you.